Hey guys, are you looking to become a public figure on Instagram? Well, it's not difficult as you might think. In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile settings to make yourself a public figure on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will open our Instagram mobile application. Then you simply have to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Instagram profile, tap on these three little lines at the top right corner of the screen and you have to go to settings. So now what you want to do next is that tap on account and then you have to scroll down and click on switch account type. From here you have to tap on switch to professional account. So in order to be a public figure on Instagram, you need a professional account. One downside of switching to professional account is that if you have a private account, it will make your account public. Simply tap on continue for all of these things and switch your account. Now you have to click on continue. From here you have to search category and you have to search for public figure and you have to click on done. It will take a couple of seconds to do this thing. Once that's done, select the creator and then tap on next. Let's exit out of this. Boom, now I am a public figure on Instagram. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.